Well, yes, Jeffrey's Chris Wood is betting big on India, a Sensex target of 1 lakh level. That compares to the current index, which is trading at 59,000 levels, suggesting an upside of over 60 to 70% in the next 5 years. Now, this he expects to happen on the back of the earnings estimates that he's penciled. He's working with a 15% growth on EPS and suggests that India could likely outperform rest of the Asian earnings performance in this year. Apart from that, he's also focusing on domestic demand stories in his long India only portfolio fund. He believes that any correction that happens in the Indian markets due to external factors should be used as a buying opportunity, and he's most encouraged by the recovery that we have seen in the housing cycle. Remember, housing sector has been coming out of a 7 year slump, and he believes that this could have a domino effect on a lot of other sectors as well, thus driving the revenue growth going forward. However, he does flag off two main risks for the Indian markets. First is the Fed tightening, and second is the rising oil prices. Now, as far as the oil prices is concerned, he believes that India is a lot better positioned this time around because of the high forex reserve that we have maintained. So we'll be more resilient to the rising oil prices. On the US Fed tightening, he says that the overall bear market hypothesis in the US is a bit challenging, given the fact that he doesn't think that Fed can continue the tightening stance to the level that they're talking about. Apart from that, he believes that they should continue selling US growth stocks on any of the recoveries, and he has increased overweight in China by 2 percentage points by reducing it on Australia. So overall, a positive read-through coming in for India and a big target of 1 lakh level on the Sensex.